The market's been open 8 minutes. We already had people, if you guys are listening, making thousands of dollars already. You guys listening to it in here? Thousands of dollars are already being made in here, right? Is that amazing or what?
$684.
Nice job. It's amazing, right?
$1,000 on SPY now too.
There you go. There's no way. There just can't be. We do it all the time, just so you guys know, right? This isn't something new. This isn't like the unicorn trader, right? I've had people in here before make almost $6 million in a single day. $6 million started with a $25,000 account. Brady did $5.6 million in a single freaking day, right? This isn't new at American Dream Trading. It might be new if you guys just tuned into us, but this is not new, right? So just letting you know, not new. And I'm not taking away what you did. It's just for the new people that are watching, like, there's no way they could possibly make $200,000 in a day. That's what we always get. That's every single that cap. There's no way. Cap. No way. Sure. I can tell you this, with us having as many people as we have and as many people that are watching, and just with 2 people being at 300,000, I know for a fact we had another $1 million day. It would be almost impossible. Think about it. We have thousands of people, right, that are in here doing this. Combine that together, right? We crush it in here. Every day we crush it.